How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, do me a huge favor, go down and subscribe. Yesterday I had a little bit of a situation with the Bronco go down. I was very confused. I had the first real issue come up in this thing, so I mean, considering this thing is a new vehicle, it shouldn't really have any issues, but this is the problem that I was having. Essentially, yesterday I was driving the Bronco and I decided to roll the passenger window up all the way. When I rolled the passenger window up, it would come up and then it would immediately come back down. Now, I assume that it thinks that someone's hand is in there or something is obstructing it, even though there was nothing there. I let it sit for a while. I kind of just said, you know, it'll eventually fix itself probably, so I just let it sit for a couple of hours. Went back, still was having the issue, then I decided to look it up and see whether or not people have had this issue before and how I could fix it. There's a couple of videos and a couple of articles kind of on forums on the issue and this issue happening with other people, and also kind of just weird things happening with the windows. I'll give you first an example of what was happening yesterday. If I come over here and try to roll this window all the way up, it comes back down. And I cannot get the window to roll all the way back up. If I try, it just keeps coming down, so I have to have it like that much open. So my Bronco is being a little finicky with this window, and I'm not sure why, but I think I found a solution. So first thing we notice, if you can hear the window going, the auto window isn't working. That's a little bit of a problem. But second thing is, the window's supposed to crack a little bit when they open, like that. And you can hear it go back up. A little hard to see with the tint on. It's also at night, but they crack a little bit, and this window isn't cracking. So in the first clip, you can see the window was going up and down, and then in the second clip at night, you could see that the window wasn't coming down when I was closing the door, because the windows, when you open the doors, have to creak down a little bit because they're frameless. So we come to the Bronco, you'll see that it cracks the window just a little bit. When you close it, it then fully shuts the window. That yesterday was not happening. In the clip, you can see that the Bronco was not cracking the window. So let me show you how I fixed it and how you guys can fix it as well. So it was actually a pretty simple solution. It took me about 5 minutes to kind of fix and figure out for the first time, but we turned the vehicle on. Now that the vehicle is on, we can reset the windows. So in order to reset the windows, you come over here, you hold, you make sure the window goes all the way down, still holding it. You hold it down for 5 seconds. And then after 5 seconds, you bring the window up and keep holding. Window's fully up, and then you hold for 5 more seconds. And that's how you reset the window. Now, it's not going to work on the first time, most likely. It took me 3 times before the window would actually stay up, and then I had to reset it 2 more times after that to get it to crack when I open the door. So it takes a couple of times. It's not going to be just a one-time reset, so if you're having the issue, try resetting it multiple times. But really, it's as simple as that. It's kind of a dumb thing that happens. I'm not sure why so many Broncos have had the problem. I have a Mustang with frameless windows, never had an issue with those, so I guess it's just a weird kind of thing with the removable doors and whatnot. There's going to be a couple things that go wrong, a couple of tweaks that happen in it, I guess, but this was the first real issue that I've had with this vehicle, so I just thought I'd document it, tell you guys how I fixed it, and hopefully I can help some of you guys as well. Annoying? Absolutely. A big issue? Not really. I guess that's just one of the small things that are going to come with newer vehicles. This is the 3rd model year of the Bronco that I own. I thought by this time they kind of had most of the things figured out. And they do, because in the first couple of years we saw a lot more issues. I've had the thing for a couple of months now, 3,000 miles, and this is the first real thing that I've encountered so far. I just thought I had to document it for you guys. But that's all I have for this video. Just a quick, short one on kind of the issue that I've encountered, how to fix it and whatnot. So that's all I have for the video. If you guys enjoyed, do me a huge favor, go down and subscribe, leave a like, and check out another Bronco video as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video.